escape set, basically 90% up there. We'll call it $100 set, okay? $50 set if you're overseas because you get it for a far better price than me. But I tell you what, the striped out escape set actually is pretty awesome. It's a bit of a surprise package what came out of that box. This place that came with interesting roller stock there and a very, very cool looking custom Thomas stabilized and looking very grubby in the face. Okay, boys and girls, it's chicken time. So look down, the chicken is really good. Works every single time. Every single time. And the Stephen Thomas is free. Wow, these are awesome, doesn't it? Metallic flickering. Let's take a look at the face. And don't forget, boys and girls, try to save that. You can turn this into something very, very awesome. You can put a visible Thomas quote on Thomas here. I've got one that I prepared earlier. Where's Thomas gone? Where's he gone? Oh, there he is. I had his invisible cloak on. Good news is the rubber chicken has done his dirty work. He can go away. Good night, sister. And we can give him this one more toy. Something he's back again. Very excited.
At KILM.com, we connect you with all the help you need, whether
Well, it's one of those contents of boxes which is really dominated.